Let's see if we can do something. Oh my gosh, that was almost a kill shot for you, buddy. I'm sorry. There it is. Came out from the depths. Alright, this is gonna be a good release. Make sure I don't drop my phone. No way, right when it hit the wall. That's insane. Let's go, boy, let's go. He said, boy, you hit me in the head. Oh, man. It just sprayed all over the camera. .27